Okay, welcome back to Easy Crypto Bytes. Now, today's video is going to be about Trust Wallet, downloading and installing Trust Wallet. On the computer, the Trust Wallet is actually a browser extension. On your phone, it's an app, but on the computer, it's actually a browser extension. So, we're going to look at how to download that, and we're going to get right into it. Okay, so first of all, type into your browser trustwallet.com, and that will take you directly to the website. You don't want to click on links from unknown sources. Now, I can put the link below in this video, but just as a general rule, you just want to go directly to the website of the actual wallet and make sure that you either type it in or you're clicking on a trusted link. Now, when we get to the website, you're going to see the download button. Now, you can click that download button. It's going to take you to the download screen. Since this is on a computer, we're going to go directly down to the download for Chrome. Okay. And we're going to click on that. Now that's going to take us to the Chrome Web Store. And that's where you want to go. Now you're going to add to Chrome. Very simple. Just click the Add to Chrome button on the right side of the screen there. It's going to have this pop up. It's going to say Add Extension. Click on Add Extension. And we wait. It's downloading it. You can see the download here in progress. Okay. Now, it's going to automatically add it into your extensions, and you see this pop-up says Trust Wallet has been added. Now, what's going to pop up next is you're going to have to basically create a new wallet here. So it says welcome to the Trust Wallet extension, create a new wallet, and that's what we want to do. So we're going to click on that. Now, you're going to put in your password, and you're going to confirm that password. There's some parameters in order to have a strong password. It's got to be 8 or more characters. I would say use at least 16 characters, and it says at least one uppercase character, and at least one digit, and at least one symbol. So we're going to put in our password here. We're going to make up a password. All right. And at this point, you're going to want to write down your password in your password book. Okay, so we're going to write that down. Okay, after we write that down, we're going to then reconfirm it. All right. We're going to click I have read and agreed to terms of service. Then click next. All right. Now here they're going to ask you if you want to participate in their data collection for improving their app. You can choose to or not. I personally don't usually participate in these things because I'm just kind of paranoid about somebody collecting data from my app. I don't think that it's going to be a bad thing. If you want to help them out, go ahead. I'm going to hit no thanks. All right. Now the wallet is ready to use. It was that simple to get it set up. We'll go ahead and open it up here and click open wallet. All right, it's going to pop up here. And if you're not familiar with the wallet, you're going to want to read through all these things, how to access your dApps and things like that. Now, dApps are decentralized apps is what they stand for, because when you use the Trust Wallet can be used with decentralized exchanges. The Trust Wallet, MetaMask wallet, these are decentralized wallets. These are wallets that can be used with decentralized exchanges. And I'll be putting out more videos in the future about decentralized exchanges. Right now, we're just focusing on the basics. So you have this now, and you can read through it, and then click got it. Okay, it's just going to give you some information here about the wallet. I'm ready to use Trust Wallet. So we're going to click on that, and here's the wallet. Now, as with every wallet that you set up, you want to get your password and your seed phrase or your secret phrase written down and in a secure place. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go here. We've got our password already, and we're going to go here where it says back up your secret phrase now. We're going to click on that, and we're going to go ahead and do all the security up front so we don't forget to do it later. All right. Now, here it's going to show you the 12-word seed phrase or secret phrase, and we're going to click on show. Now, we're going to type in our password here. All right, hit submit. And then it's going to show you your key phrase. Now, write this down. Make sure it's spelled, each word is spelled correctly. Make sure you got it in the right order. In fact, I would even write down a number next to each word, and so that you can keep them in the right order. And what I will probably do is write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then I will put the word, each word above the number or next to the number in order to keep the words in order, and that I know exactly the key phrase and the order that it's in. All right. Now that you've written those words down, double check it, triple check it, and make sure you've got everything spelled correctly. Make sure that it's all lowercase, that you don't get confused in the future. But then now we're going to go and proceed to the next step. Now, in this step, we've got each word here, and we're going to click on one, and then we're going to go down and we're going to click on the correct word, and we're going to proceed with that. Okay, so first it's number one is arrow. Now, obviously, this wallet is only for this video. It's never going to have any type of crypto in it. So, but for yours, you want to make sure you never do anything in front of a camera, or it's supposed to be private. All right, now that we've got all those words clicked in, we're going to hit click next, and that's it. You're done. You've got your password and your key phrase written down in your password book, and you've got your wallet ready here. And as you can see, we've got your different coins and your different chains that you can use here. You got BNB, BTC, Ethereum, Polygon. We can do managed crypto, and so you can turn the chain on and off. All right, well, there you have it, guys. You're ready to use your Trust Wallet now. And you can see, I recommend kicking around a little bit here and looking at the different tokens that are available, and look at what you got here, and just kind of get familiar with the app. This is your network up here. You're going to click on the different networks, and this video is not meant to be an exhaustive video about how to use the Trust Wallet. It's just how to get it downloaded and get it set up and ready to use. And so that's going to cover it for this video. You're ready to use your Trust Wallet now. Hope that helped you out. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. This is a new crypto channel, about 2 months old, and every like and subscribe helps the algorithm get these videos out to other people who are new to crypto and who need help getting things set up and getting into crypto. And this channel could help them out. And I appreciate you. Appreciate you watching this video. Easy Crypto Bytes out.